dear parents, this is an era of technology changes. This is an era of AI, lot of digital stimulation. The children are going through a lot of stress, anxiety, uncertainty. And one of the biggest challenge your child is facing is emotional balance because of adolescence, because of comparison on social media. In, in this world of uncertainty, the children needs clarity and confidence. And this clarity and confidence doesn't come through learning and reading. It comes through understanding emotions, being more aware, being more present. In the current world, the child needs growth in three dimensions: intellect, emotions, and inner growth. Intellect gives them that competitiveness, the edge. The emotional balance gives them the ability to handle pressure, anxiety, social comparison. And the inner growth helps them to connect with their purpose, ability to handle, maintain calm under stressful situation, think clearly. I am conducting a 2 days workshop on 9th and 10th of May at 11 a.m., where I'll be discussing with you and your child the tools to gain that emotional balance, to have that clarity of dreams, to how to improve focus and habits. Because in this current world, your marks are not that important. They may give you an edge, but they may not give you a life. They may not give you a sense of confidence. So join this workshop, and I have kept it a very interactive, exercise-based, where child and you will be learning a lot. And this is not that I am only focusing on these 2 days of workshop. I am giving 1 year of support because I feel the transformation is not 2 days matter. Transformation needs continuous monitoring, continuous follow up. You will be part of my community. You will have one session every month. You will have a community strength. All the links are given in my bio. Please click them and join this workshop. I'll be waiting.